Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word acoustical. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new concert hall was designed with acoustical panels to enhance the sound quality for performances. Acoustical refers to anything related to sound or the way sound is heard, typically used in relation to the design or properties of a physical space. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.